Hi everyone, I'm Zaratea S. Miranda and I'm one of the reporters for our topic about drug addiction. And today I'm gonna tackle about ecstasy. Ecstasy, ecstasy, Adam and Eden tablet refers to the drug having such chemical composition, also known as Molly, Adam, beans, Clarity, disco, biscuit, and etc. So, ecstasy, also known as MDMA, is an illegal drug that affects how your brain feels and thinks. It is often taken as a pill or capsule, and it can be a powder. So, kaning nga drug it is sometimes called party drug because people use it in clubs or parties to feel energetic. Like kanang di sila ka-feel og kakapoy or kahago gali bisag unsa pa sila kalihok or nagsayaw-sayaw dira unsa pa diha. Dili sila ka-feel og kakapoy kay high man sila. Pero kani siya nga drug is very dangerous pud jud kay it can overheat your body, dehydrate, and can cause confusion, anxiety, and even in death because of high dose. And kani siya nga drug is kanang very popular siya sa mga teens nga hilig mo adto og mga clubs kay para maka-feel sila og like basta kanang happy, mo sila paki og naunsa sila nang ila is kanang go party ganon. Tapos ang sorry po. Tapos ang kanina nagagamit ani, feel nila like yeah, happy sila tapos for like kaya nila mubuhat og bisag unsa for how many days lang then wa sila kabalo og unsa ni ka delikado nga drug. And kani mo ni ang example sa picture sa kanang tablet nga ecstasy. And kani is what I was saying earlier, very dangerous jud siya kay like makakos po ni siya og hallucination like kanang feel nimo ninihungong nimo or nakanidunggan niya tingog pero wa jud nihungong nimo and wala jud na pud exist then same sa kanang like kanang nakinakitaan pero ikaw ra din nakakita ato and sila wala, same sa katunadunggan nimo ikaw ra din nakadungog ato ang uban is wala. And next is the side effects, negative side effects of using ecstasy. So, number 1, fatigue and perhaps depression after the drug stop. So, if kanang wala nag-e-effect ang drug sa imong lawas, the person na nagamit, maka-feel siya og kakapoy, sad, or depression because the brain's normal balance of chemicals is disturbed. And example is after taking ecstasy, a person may feel energetic for how many hours lang but later feel drained and emotionally low. And second, the restlessness and anxiety. So, ang nagamit ani nga person pagkahuman is kanang maka-feel siya og uneasy, nervous, and unable to relax. Like kanang like sige jud sila og lihok, shaking their legs or feel worried even when nothing's wrong. Ang ikatulo is vomiting. Example like kanang the drug can upset the stomach or affect the body's temperature control, leading to feeling sick or throwing up. So ang example niya is after taking the drug, a person might feel dizzy. Dizzy is kanang nalipong or vomit is nagsuka due to how their body reacts to it. So ang kaupat rise blood pressure and heart rate or death from heart failure or stroke. So this can cause high blood pressure, fast heartbeat, and in extreme cases, heart attack or stroke, especially if someone already has heart problems. So example, the person's the person's heart may beat very fast and in severe cases stop working properly, which can be deadly. So number 5, last not but the least, the side effect of negative side effect of ecstasy. Prolonged regular use carbs to lead to the same long-term effects of those synthetic stimulants. So, if someone uses a drug regularly for a long time, it can cause permanent damage to the brain and body, just like other synthetic or stimulant drug such as meth or cocaine. So, example, long-term users might experience memory loss, trouble sleeping, mood swings, and mental health problems.